Now we will talk about the electromagnetic spectrum. The entire term sounds very difficult, but it's not that difficult actually. Look at this formula. V is equal to F lambda. V means the speed of light. Okay. The electromagnetic waves have the same speed in vacuum. That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Okay. Now, although these waves all have the same speed, but they don't have the same frequency. So this is fixed. This speed is fixed. So if you increase the frequency, the wavelength must decrease so that they balance each other out to give you the same result, 3 into 10 to the power 8. If you increase the frequency, and if lambda doesn't increase, the wavelength doesn't increase or decrease, then the value of the speed will change. But we know that electromagnetic waves have the same speed in air or vacuum. So if F increases, lambda decreases. If F decreases, lambda increases. So we can divide this entire family of electromagnetic waves depending upon the frequencies. Okay. So they are divided like this: radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray. Okay. Radio waves have the smallest wavelength. Radio waves have the smallest frequency, and gamma ray has the largest frequency. Okay. So for radio waves, the frequency is the smallest. For gamma ray, the frequency is the largest. So the frequency increases as we go from radio to gamma rays. On the other hand, radio waves have the largest lambda, the largest wavelength, and gamma ray has the smallest wavelength. And this F and lambda balance each other out so that the entire family of the electromagnetic spectrum has the same velocity in air or vacuum. That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. So the microwave that we use in our microwave ovens, and the light that we see, and the radio waves that we use in our radio, the X-ray that we use to see inside our bones, they all are the same family, the electromagnetic spectrum. But depending upon their frequency, they have different uses. We saw in the dispersion of light that visible light has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. In this spectrum, red has the smallest frequency, violet has the largest frequency. Red has the largest wavelength, violet has the smallest wavelength. So as we go from red to violet, the frequency increases and the wavelength decreases. This increase in frequency and the decrease in wavelength occurs such that their product, that is F into lambda, V, this V remains constant, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. There is an entire list of the uses of these different members of the electromagnetic spectrum that you can find in the link that I give you.